Hi, dear friends, this is Filmora, and let's see today how to remove the green screen from your video in Filmora. For example, you uploaded such a movie, such a video, and it has green screen. How to remove it? Just click on it. I did left click of my mouse, go to Tools, find in this list Video, and in a new list Chroma Key. You see, it's done. The color is set up green. If it would be another color, you'll click here and click on a background. You see? Okay, and by the way, there are few parameters you have to take a look. Let's move the sliders left and right and see which parameters will be the best for you. Like that, or like this. Oh, I think it's the best. Okay, then choose it.